video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's quickly move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. The space characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 8 to 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. Those space characters are appended with number characters. The number characters are gradually increasing line by line in the range of 2 from 1 to 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Along with every number, a space character is appended. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable called I with 0, I is equal to 0. We are going to use while loop here, while I less than 5. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and our iteration will stop here. For this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop. So declare and initialize a variable with 0, nested while j minus 1 less than I into 2, and at the end of nested while loop iteration, we are going to increase j value by 1. So here, this condition j minus 1 will start from minus 1 less than I value is 0. Condition is true and it is going to get iterated. Now at the end of inner while loop iteration, j value will become 1. So here condition will be 0 less than 0. Condition false and iteration is going to stop here. Now for the second iteration of the I value is 1, minus 1 less than 1, condition true, 0 less than 1, condition true, 1 less than 1, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. Similarly, for the third value of I, minus 1 less than 2, condition true, 0 less than 2, condition true, 1 less than 2, condition true, 2 less than 2, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. This is how this inner while loop is going to get iterated for the remaining values of I, 3 and 4. So let's print the result. Print. We are going to combine two spaces here. Two spaces multiply by 4 minus I. So this logic will give us the space characters 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. And in the same line, we want the number character, space character appended with number character. For that, we are going to separate them without any character with the end parameter of the print method. So let's print the number. Print j plus 1, separate the values with space character. Let's run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print the result in the same line. To print the result line by line, we are going to use print method without any value. Run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see here, this is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number triangle pattern.